Hello and welcome to Shelter 142 in Switzerland. This is a follow-up video to the very first video of the channel. It's the one where I introduce the shelter, our room in the cellar. Some of the viewers have voiced concern about getting stuck in the shelter. If the whole house above the shelter would move, or the foundation of the whole construction would shift, that the doors of the shelter get stuck and people inside cannot escape anymore. To go into this topic a little bit more in detail, I thought I would show some more details of the door of the shelter and also introduce to some extent to what standards houses are built here in Switzerland, so that you can kind of better understand and estimate how the shelter is integrated into the whole building. So let's go downstairs and have a look at the door first. The door leaf of Shelter 142 is armored and consists of steel-enforced concrete and a steel frame. The dimensions are as follows. It's 193 centimeters high, 93 centimeters wide and 20 centimeters strong. The door is held closed by two heavy locks, and altogether I estimate that it weighs around 800 kilograms. The entrance is lined with a steel frame also, and the leaf closes onto the steel frame. It does not close in between. There is a rubber seal on the leaf that guarantees tight contact between leaf and steel frame of the entrance, and in this method the seal is airtight, and overpressure on the outside will of course make the seal even tighter. Closing the locks presses the door leaf against the steel frame of the entrance, and this seal is tight. When closed, the locks can be secured additionally with steel pins for more safety. Equipment for emergency escape is installed on the inside of the door leaf. Next, let me show you the footprint of the basement and how such basements are usually constructed in Switzerland. Basements are entirely surrounded by steel-enforced walls, and shelters are always located in the corner of the basement's footprint. This is approximately the footprint of our house. Shelter 142 is located in the upper left corner. Note the emergency exit and the main entrance. Other rooms inside the basement are usually separated with normal brick walls. All walls made out of steel-enforced concrete are 30 centimeters thick. The scenes that follow now are from an undisclosed construction site to give you an impression of how basements are built. This is not our house, it just serves as an example. Everything is underground, as you can see. Steel-enforced concrete walls are framed and poured, and these are the walls after the concrete had hardened, but before the cover was poured. I hope this video could clarify the question about the possibility of getting stuck in the shelter, at least to some extent, and I think the possibility is sure there, but precautions have been taken to avoid such a scenario. At the end of the day, everyone has to ask him or herself the question, if all hell breaks loose outside, do I prefer to die immediately outside of the shelter, or do I want to take cover inside and hope for the best? Should you have not watched yet my first shelter video, please do so. Thanks for watching this video, take care and bye.